New tonight, early voting begins Saturday for the special election to choose the next judge in Baton Rouge to replace Wilson Fields. Tonight, the candidates answered questions at Shiloh Missionary Baptist Church about why they should be elected. News 2's Haley Jefferson also had some questions for them.
Michael, I spoke with the candidates about why they are running for the 19th JDC judge seat and how they plan to ensure transparency if elected to the bench.
Vicki Jones, Dele Adebamaji, Vernon Wesley Thomas are all running for 19th Judicial District Court judge. Tuesday night, the candidates participated in a forum. Thomas has experience working as a prosecutor, public defender, and private defense. He says he's running for 19th JDC judge because he wants to serve the community.
I think the people of Baton Rouge deserve the best that this community has to offer. And I want people to know that their faith deserves to be rewarded.
Adebamaji has been practicing law in Louisiana for over 3 decades, both criminal and civil cases. He says it was his experience that led him to throw his hat in the race.
I've been practicing for over 32 years. So that's some experience. You can't teach experience.
Jones has practiced law for the last 33 years, working as a prosecutor and defense attorney. She currently serves as an adjunct professor at Southern University Law Center. For Jones, it was her interest in helping the community as a whole,
as opposed to, one client at a time.
We asked the candidates if they were elected, how would they ensure transparency while serving on the bench? Thomas says his platform is fairness, accountability, compassion, and efficiency.
The accountability part means that I'm holding myself to a higher standard. And when you start there, everything else trickles down from there.
Jones says constituents have access to disciplinary records.
Anybody can look. You can look at the Louisiana State Bar Association website, and you can find out anything that anybody has done that they've been disciplined for.
Adebamaji says he will simply follow the law.
So if you rely on your faith and you do what the law say do, you won't get in trouble. I'm not perfect, but I still strive very hard to make sure that I'm as transparent as I can be.
Candidate Elsie Alford Jr. is also running for the 19th JDC judge seat, but did not participate in the forum.
Early voting begins this Saturday. Whoever is elected on October 11th will serve until next year, and then candidates will have to run for re-election again. Michael?
And Haley.